Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add and manage dual connection for your earbuds SOUNDCORE C40i. So, right here we have a first device what connected with the earbuds and have an application, and second, do not. Open the application on your first device and then click at your device here. Then go to the controls, go to the dual connection, and firstly make sure that you have it enabled. To enable it, just click at this slider. Here we go. Now, we need to pair these earbuds with the second device. So, go to the settings on your second device, connected devices, and click pair new device. After that, we have a few options. We can click at this connect new device button, or at the bottom of the charging case we have connectional button. You can press and hold on it until this LED lights start flashing. And you will also enter to prank mode and can add it to your phone. I'm going to click at this button and then got it. And now tap on your second device and then click pair. And we did it. As you can see right here, we add the second device. What we can do right here, we can disable this device if you want to by click at this slider near to your device. And as you can see, it just disabled. Also, we can click manage and we can remove this device. Remove and remove. And we just remove it, and if we tap on it right now, it asked to it showed a problem, but sometimes I don't know why this times it didn't work. It asked to pair your phone, but not this time, I guess. So we can remove it from the phone. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.